Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to restore archived email in Microsoft Outlook on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, first thing first, you of course you just have to open your Outlook and make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet, yeah guys. So here in this page, you will see the count icon at the top left in the corner of your phone. Just go ahead and tap on it. We'll see an archive options here guys. So if you want to restore it, you just have to go ahead again and choose the email that you want to restore it to the home page. For example, I'm going to choose these two emails. I'm going to tap and press for a second until will be a checklist beside it like this. And now we'll see here the three dot icon at the top right in the corner of your phone. Just go ahead. Now pick the first option, which is move to folder. Now I'm gonna tap on it, and in this page you have to choose which folder that you want to move that archive email. For example, I'm gonna move it to the inbox here guys. I'm gonna tap on it, and as you can see in this archive page there are no longer emails, and I'll see here in this home page or in this inbox page there are an email that we have archived before. So yeah, I think it's enough. Thank you for watching this video guys. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.